Good morning everyone, myself Sahil, and today in this video I'm going to show you the modification that we have done in this car Maruti Suzuki Eeco for a person with disability, for a spinal cord injury person who is a wheelchair user. And if you are constantly watching our videos and if you have subscribed to our channel, you must be aware of the work that we do, which is modifying cars for persons with disability and making the cars more accessible for their use. So let us see. This is one another car that we have done recently, and I'm going to show you all through that how it looks after the modification and other aspects of the overall use of the car. So let's see, get into this video. Now this car has come to us from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, which is almost 2500 kilometers from our place. Now the customer who required our services partly lives in France, but they are actually coming to India and they wanted a car that can easily accommodate a wheelchair. So for that particular purpose, we modified this car in this way. A solution that eliminates the shifting from the wheelchair. Now some of our customers find it really difficult to send their vehicle from their place to our place. But let me just shift your attention towards our work. This kind of work requires a proper workstation because the work is very extensive in nature, which requires a proper setup. And the process of sending your car from your place to our place is actually not that difficult as it seems. You can easily hire a driver for that. Now coming back to the topic, this modification benefits not just only persons with disability, but elderly as well. Whoever is a wheelchair user can be benefited with this modification. It doesn't matter if it's your doctor's appointment, it doesn't matter if you want to go out in the nature and just have a little outing. After all, how much a person can stay at home all the time? And while you do that, we also take care of your safety. These belts are effective enough to hold your wheelchair inside the car while it is moving. Now I didn't explain the process of operating the ramp because we have done it earlier in a lot of our videos. If you are still curious about that and if you want to know it, you can just watch our previous videos. There are tons of them, and you can easily know how actually a wheelchair goes inside a car, how the ramps can be operated. That all of it is covered in our previous videos. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I was able to cover as much as I could in this video. And if you still have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given numbers, and do visit our channel. You will get all the information related to this work in our previous videos. So good luck guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.